Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have my monthly favorites: hair care, we have body care, we have skin care, we have makeup and more. So if you like watching such kind of videos, then do consider subscribing to the channel and also do like, share and comment down below अगर आपको इस वीडियो में से कुछ भी अच्छा लगा हो. And now let's get started. Okay, so moving on to the first category that I have for you guys, it is hair care, and I want to quickly show you guys what was the best hair care that I used this month. So the first product that I have for you guys is a hair mask from L'Oreal. So L'Oreal की एक range है Professionals range, जिस range में we have this Absolute Repair Protein Plus Gold Quinoa hair mask. You guys, this hair mask is not the regular hair mask that you will come across. This is the kind of hair mask which has, you know, like literally changed the game for me. So this hair mask is something I've used a lot, and actually अभी ये दिख रहा है इसमें, but actually this is not how much I've used. I've finished this entirely, and उसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा भरा था because I actually bought a bigger size. So you know you love a product जब आप उसका small size finish कर लेते हो और उसका bigger size order करके use करने लगते हो. मतलब मैं कैसे explain करूँ, इससे मेरे बाल इतने smoothened हो चुके हैं ना. Just see, I have straightened my hair though, but उसके अलावा भी my hair looks so nicer. मतलब without putting a lot of effort, it still looks very nice. बालों को बहुत अच्छे से स्मूथ कर देता है, gives a beautiful shine, gives moisture to your hair if your hair is extremely dry, dull and damaged. I request you guys, एक बार इसको try करके देखो, you will love it. I know it is expensive, and if you can't try it or if it doesn't fit in your budget, I totally recommend you trying the Dove hair mask क्योंकि वो भी बहुत अच्छा है, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Okay, so moving on to the next category which is skin care. So मुझे काफ़ी breakouts हो रहे हैं इधर और इधर, अभी से नहीं, पिछले एक साल से my skin has been breaking out a lot, and I've been trying a lot of skincare, not a lot but then good skincare, and I just wanted to be sure of without doubt. But one skincare product that I do wanna talk about, and I would not resist from not talking about it, will be the Bioderma Sensitive Gel Mucin. ये छोटू सा दिख रहा है, but I finished it. I do wanna show. Yeah, see, I finished. इतना सा बचा है बस. मेरे पास already इसका backup है. I've ordered it in the bigger size as well. So I will use that once this finishes, and this is such a gentle face wash. इतने सारे face washes I have used, and I've never really found a face wash जो कि बहुत gentle हो मेरी skin पर. So I have very sensitive skin, and this completely helps in dealing with the redness of my skin. तो अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा रेड हो रही है एंड आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है व्हाट टू यूज़ व्हाट नॉट टू यूज़, एंड यू नॉट एबल टू फाइंड द क्लेंजर जो कि लादर भी अच्छा करता हो प्लस बहुत ज़्यादा जेंटल भी हो, दिस इज दैट फेस वॉश. Now I also really like the Cetaphil face wash, but I don't think it's suiting me at this point. It's a great face wash, but I do think that this is little bit better. This removes my makeup as well, even though I'm not putting a lot of makeup, but if I have to, I will still use it to wash my entire face. Great product. Okay, so the next category that I have with you guys is body care, and I have a lot of products in body care. So एक एक करके जल्दी से देख. This is such a great deodorant. मतलब if you have extremely sweaty underarms, इतना sweat आता है आपको underarm से कि वो control नहीं हो सकता है, apart from cleaning it, you can use this. This is that kind of deodorant. मतलब look at the amount I've finished, and I'm already gonna buy a new and a bigger version of this because this is so good. मतलब I bought this in a smaller size with zero expectations. I had no expectations कि will this suit me or not, and I just got it randomly, and you guys, I love it so much. Okay, next body care product that I have for you guys is a new body lotion. Can you believe I'm talking about a new body lotion and not talking about Nivea? I've always loved Nivea so much, but this just beats it. So this is the Vaseline Sun Protect SPF 30 body lotion. This is actually serum in lotion, यहाँ पे ऐसे लिखा हुआ है. Such a lightweight and a gentle formula. Look at, I'm gonna use it right now in front of you guys and show you guys कि कितना अच्छा वर्क करता है. So already मैंने थोड़ी सी सनस्क्रीन लगाई हुई है अपनी बॉडी पर, but this will just act like a, see, it's gone. The moment I like use it, it's gone. There's nothing. I have been gravitating towards products that are easy to absorb and not sticky or oily in nature because मेरे को कुछ सूट नहीं हो रहा है. To be very honest, nothing is working out for me. Oily हो जाता है तो चिपचिप होने लग जाती है and I don't like that feeling at all. And if you're like me, you will love this body lotion. I got it from DMart at ₹270 because ये ऑफर में था तो 550 के 2 मिल रहे थे. एक मैंने लिया, एक मेरी रूममेट ने लिया and we both loved it a lot. I'm pretty sure I have like finished till here. I don't know if you can see, but I can see I have finished this much. So I have 2 body mists for you guys. One is the Zudio Shine body mist and another one is the Bella Vita Rose Women perfume, and these both are mixed. मैं ऐसे करके लगाती हूँ कि मैं पूरा मिक्स कर लेती हूँ. This is the first layer I go in with Bella Vita. Number 2 layer पे I will use this. I use it on my hair as well because this is the best body mist I have ever used. I am telling you, if you see this in Zudio, I kid you not, go and try this. नहीं लेना मत लेना, but just try this. Smell this once and understand how it feels. It feels like literally like beaches. Office जाने से पहले I use this and I cannot like emphasize enough कि ये कितना अच्छा smell करता है. Like the moment I spray this on my body, I start to smell like beaches, oranges, like freshness, fruity, fresh. I can't explain it, but it's somewhere between fruity, fresh, oceany and beachy. It's very beachy and topical and topical and orangey and like very nice. Worth a buy and ले लो इसको. Next is the Bella Vita Luxury Perfume. I also really like this. मैंने इसके बारे में भी बहुत बार बात किया है. I equally love this one as well. ये ऑन इट्स ओन तो अच्छा है. इट इज अ बिट ऑफ लाइक रोजी काइंड ऑफ सेंट. अब तो मेरा फिनिश भी होने वाला है ये, बट जब मैं दोनों को मिक्स करके लगाती हूँ ना, आई थिंक इट गिव्स मी अ वेरी यूनिक फ्रेगनेंस. लाइक बहुत ज़्यादा मेरी फ्रेगनेंस लास्ट करती है एंड दीज बोथ टुगेदर लास्ट. मैंने इस टॉप पे भी कुछ दिन पहले लगाया हुआ था, बट आई कैन स्टिल स्मेल these 2 perfumes on my top. That's how great both of these are. Okay, last category that I have for you guys is makeup. So these are here. So first is the Recode Lip Smacker lip liner, and this lip liner is so good. मतलब ये Recode के जो lip liners हैं, I'll show you once. Yeah, there you go. इसका undertone is the perfect undertone that I've ever come across. This is not the typical chonky lip liners. ये affordable ज़्यादा नहीं है. This is over 400. So this lip liner is so good. I mean, Recode, you just killed it. I've never really used this brand, I'll be honest. I saw this brand on Shark Tank and since then I felt like, okay, I want to try someday, but I finally got it and I'm in the shade 05 and this shade is so good. The moment you apply it, it doesn't get rubbed off. ये जाता नहीं है. एक बार जैसे आप अपने लिप्स लाइन कर लोगे ना, this will not budge throughout the day. That's how good quality this is, and it is so buttery, so smooth, glides on my lips perfectly for everyday makeup look. Even not on everyday, I wear the same lip everywhere, so I love it so much. Next lipstick that I have for you guys is, यहाँ पे lip liner है and now I'm applying this as well. See, the brown shade that I need, this is that. जो brown shade आपको चाहिए अपने lipstick में, you will get it in this variant of lipsticks. They are so good. And trust me, अगर आप इन दोनों को साथ में भी लगा के जाते हो, you're done, you're sorted. That is the best I can give you. Affordable भी है, ज़्यादा महंगा नहीं है. I think this is also for 400 something and this is also for 400 something. But अगर आप offers में लोगे, sales में लोगे तो I'm pretty sure 300 में दोनों ही मिल जाएंगे and it's a win. So I have also been loving to buy a liquid lipstick and the one that I have tried recently is the Renee lipstick. इसका packaging हट गया है. So this is in the variant or in the shade Craving for Coffee and this is also a very pretty shade. I'll show you right now. So you take a little bit, I take very less of this. तो जब मैं lip line करती हूँ then I apply the Mamaearth lipstick and then I top it off with this lipstick. See. And this dries down very pink in nature. मतलब the moment I apply it, it feels quite like red and like bricky and orangey brown, if you know what I mean. But it settles down into a very beautiful pink shade. Right now it's very reddish, not reddish, but very bricky color. But it dries down very beautiful and it dries down very nude. I'm wearing the combo and you can see my lips. There is very less to no transfer at all. Okay, so moving on to the next category that I have for you guys is movie recommendation. So अभी वीडियो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा हो रहा है and I do not want to stretch this video any longer. So I'm going to quickly talk about the series and the movie that I loved this month. So the most anticipated series for this month has to be, I mean the month June, has to be Bridgerton Season 3 Part 2. And to my disappointment, as excited I was about for Bridgerton Season 3 Part 2, it wasn't a hit for me at all. Like, it was a big bummer because I expected the story to be in depth, in detail, and to have certain like depths into the scene. I did not find it. Nevertheless I still liked it because there's a lot of love for the series that I have in my heart. But I also felt कि जैसे कहीं ना कुछ मिसिंग था. आई फेल्ट स्टोरी को बहुत भगाया है, बहुत रश किया है rather than giving us and showing us the real love nurturing. I don't think they at all paid attention to it. The story felt, on some parts it felt very broken and felt very like not super nice. I felt that it could have been still better, but it wasn't as good as I had expected. I still liked it, I still watched it, but I just felt something was missing and it was a little bit of a disappointment or a bummer as you can call. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, I did not like it that much. Okay, moving on, I watched Kota Factory Season 3 and I actually liked it. It wasn't like too good, but I still liked it. I mean, I don't want to say anything negative for the show, but I also want to say that it could have been better. I had a lot of expectations from Kota Factory Season 3 because it was again anticipated since a very long time now. But it was good. The ending was very sad. It was very emotional. It was not like the best ending that anybody could have expected for the show, but still it was good. I still liked watching it. I still loved the characters. I still liked how they filmed everything, how the show was, and I am satisfied. I'm not like disappointed. I'm happy. Okay, the next movie recommendation that I loved in the month of June was Blur. So this is a very old movie. I mean, recently, I don't think it's like released recently. It's an old movie. I think 1 or 2 year old. But the movie is worth. It is so good. First half में थोड़ी सी boring लग सकती है. I mean, not boring, but you can find it very obvious. But second half is the part you do not want to miss. It is so good. Literally second part में kill किया है movie में. काफ़ी अच्छा thrill है. So I love this thriller based movies and Blur is one such movie. So इसमें तापसी पन्नू है and गुलशन देवैया है. दोनों का ही काम बहुत अच्छा है. I mean, तापसी पन्नू just killed it. एंड स्टोरी में सस्पेंस काफ़ी अच्छा है. अब मैं ज़्यादा स्पॉइलर नहीं दूंगी, आप लोग खुद से एक बार ज़रूर मूवी को देखना. इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन यूट्यूब. So just check it out once. I'm pretty sure those of you who love thrill movies, they will love it, and it is actually very good movie. 10 on 10. Alright you guys, this is the end of the video and I hope you guys liked watching the video. If you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also comment on below आपको वीडियो में क्या अच्छा लगा और आप क्या क्या देखना चाहते हो चैनल पर. I'll bring that for you guys. And now that is it. Bye guys, see you next time.